Hi friends, I am Ashk Husain. So let's start today's class. Exam strategy. Exam strategy means examination skill. 1. Examination approaches. Students begin to plan because 50% chances of success rely on examination skill rather than subject knowledge. A student should check and double check the examination schedule, and he should also check what he is allowed or not allowed to take in with him the day before exam, budgeting time and avoiding elaborate answers. Elaborate unnecessary are also part of our exam strategies. After getting the questions paper, he should read it carefully. At first glance, the questions may seem difficult, but it becomes gradually easier. It is also useful to underline the keywords in the questions. Keywords, keywords in the questions. He should check back to make sure whether he is writing what he should write. He should always He should always remember that his handwriting should be clear and legible. If one follows the exam tips, he or she wins his or her chances of success. So please friends like this video and share this video with your friends. Subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.